Okay, it's midnight. It's midnight and around 1:33 a.m. Ghana time. Okay, so I'm in the market. So I did some few analysis, placed some few trades as well. Placed some few trades here. Okay, I just placed a trade anyway. Sorry, just a trade. So this is how I've done my analysis and hoping for the market to work for me. So far it's working for me and it's still working for me. So this is where I've set my take profits and then my stop loss up here, as you can see. Okay, so let's see how the market goes. I'll be going to bed. When I wake up, I'll take a look at how the markets went and we see how much we've lost or gained. Okay, so see you guys. So far, let's check out what is happening here. So far we are winning, we are gaining so far. So let's see. Okay. Alright, see you guys another time. Bye bye.